Bharat is the nation where the rule of law is supreme. Bharat is the nation where king is not the law but the law is the king. Bharat is the nation who apprised the world with the abstraction of dharma by triumphing yato dharmastato jaya, has now taken a concrete step which was awaited for a long time by reforming its criminal laws after 75 years of independence to eradicate the colonial hangover. But a great question which stands before us is that, are we ready for the speedier adjudication of the offences? Greetings of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Today I, Keshav Bharadwaj, consider myself to be very fortunate to speak on a topic which is going to shape our country's legal future. Dear audience, at a time when the nation is advancing with the resolve of Viksit Bharat, and as we mark 75 years of our constitution, the commencement of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, inspired by constitutional ideals, is a significant milestone. And yes, I do believe that the newly enacted criminal and evidence laws are going to contribute a lot for the speedier adjudication of the offences. Ladies and gentlemen, our rules and laws and regulations remain effective only if they remain relevant to their time. The world is changing today, and so are the methods of crime and criminals. In such situation, how could a system rooted in 19th century be remain practical in today's world? And considering these facts in mind, many jurists of our country, after several years of deep contemplation, have tried to give a new direction to the criminal laws of this nation. And these laws contain all those provisions which, if strictly followed, the speed of the adjudication of the offences would become unparalleled and unprecedented, and thereby establishing a good form of governance. Under the new laws, the provisions are made that within 90 days from the date of registering of the FIR, the victim must be informed about the progress of his case. In the most heinous offences like rapes, it has now become mandatory to frame charges within 60 days from the date of first hearing. It has also been stipulated that within 45 days from the date of last hearing, the judgment must have to be delivered, and it has also been ensured that no case can be adjourned for more than twice. The newly enacted criminal laws are becoming the protector of civil rights and shall lay the foundation of ease of justice, is what every Indian citizen believes today. Although the system has been implemented a few months ago, it still requires time to mature. But the information which we are receiving from different corners of the country are truly satisfying and encouraging. In Chandigarh, in a vehicle theft case, the accused was sentenced within 71 days after the FIR was registered. In Delhi, the entire process from FIR to judgment took only 60 days, with the accused receiving a punishment of 20 years. Similarly, in a murder case in Bihar, the entire process from FIR to judgment took only 14 days, with the culprits receiving a punishment of life imprisonment. These decisions not only demonstrate the strength and impact of the newly enacted criminal laws, rather they are also going to restore the lost faith of the people in the justice system. My dear audience, these laws are not only going to eradicate all sorts of allegations against the judiciary for the backlog of civil disputes, but would also create a sense of responsibility amongst the states and the central government to do something for the proper and timely recruitment of the judicial officers, without whom these well-structured laws would be like an unarmed soldier standing in the battlefield having authority only on papers. At last, I would be tempted to conclude my words, considering the time limits, by quoting a very great philosopher, Plato. Good people do not need laws to tell them to act responsibly, while bad people will always find a way around the laws. Ironically, these laws, passed by the strengthened legislature of the world's largest democracy, has proved even a philosopher like Plato to be false. My dear audience, kindly remember these words for one last time: justice delayed is justice denied, because from now onwards, it would be justice on time and bad days for criminals and crime. Thank you so much for listening me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.